Okay, so the first part, so the problem is to create a program that allows users to calculate standard deviation without using the built-in methods from Numpy, right? So we have to find, I got this one from Khan Academy. So we have to create our algorithm. So our algorithm is the way that we are going to solve the problem. So we have the standard deviation is equal to the sum of x minus the average, but this amount is going to be squared. Then we're going to divide between the number of the items minus 1. So what is the first thing that we need? We're required to do this. So we need ask the items to the user and then calculate the average or the mean. So we get the items right here, the x. So I got the x, those are the items that the user is going to enter the data. And then we calculate x minus the average. So we're gonna get it here. So I got the average right here. So the first thing is, of course, getting the data from user. So I have to create something to get all of this information. I'm going to save it in a variable. So for that, we're going to create a list. Then all of these items, we're going to sum them up and then divide it between the number of items. In this case is 4, so it's n is 4. So each item minus the average, I have to put that number right here. So this is the next step. Then we get this. Once we get this, we have to square that number. We have to square, so this is the next part. We square them, then we sum that number. So the sum should be this one. I'm gonna, yes. So those numbers, we have the sum right here, and then we get the variance. Whereas the variance is getting this number, like we can see it in the formula, and divide it by n minus 1. N is this number right here, so we divide it. In this case, I'm doing it right here is b20 divided b17 is the n minus 1. And finally, the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So that's it. We're going to start doing the first part in the next video.